Secrets of Successful Gold Trading. Leveraging the ISM Manufacturing PMI. Before we start the video, we would like to reminding you that we are not the trading consultant or financial advisor. We just share the theory and my understanding only. Please use your understand and take advantage from my video to make any decision at your own risk. Again, please make any decision at your own risk. Okay, welcome to our video on how the ISM Manufacturing PMI in the US can affect gold trading through the interaction of USD and gold. In this video, we will cover the basics of the PMI, its schedule for release, and how you can take advantage of this information to make informed trading decisions. The ISM Manufacturing PMI, or Purchasing Managers Index, is an economic indicator that measures the health of the US manufacturing sector. It is based on a survey of purchasing managers in the manufacturing industry and provides valuable insights into trends in production, new orders, employment, and supplier deliveries. Before we discuss how the PMI can affect gold trading, it's important to understand the relationship between USD and gold. Typically, when the USD strengthens, the value of gold decreases, and when the USD weakens, the value of gold increases. This inverse relationship is due to the fact that gold is priced in USD, so when the USD is stronger, it takes fewer dollars to purchase an ounce of gold. The ISM Manufacturing PMI is released on the first business day of each month at 10:00 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This report is highly anticipated by traders and investors worldwide, as it provides valuable insights into the economic health of the US economy. The PMI can have a significant impact on USD and gold prices. A strong PMI reading is generally positive for the USD, as it indicates a healthy manufacturing sector, which can lead to a decrease in gold prices. Conversely, a weak PMI reading is usually negative for the USD, which can lead to an increase in gold prices. If you're interested in trading gold based on the PMI, here are some tips to keep in mind. First, pay attention to the release schedule and the actual reading of the PMI report. Second, keep an eye on the USD index and other relevant economic indicators, as they can provide additional insights into the overall economic health of the US. Finally, consider using technical analysis to identify key levels of support and resistance in gold prices. In conclusion, the ISM Manufacturing PMI is a valuable economic indicator that can help you make informed trading decisions in the gold market through the interaction of USD and gold. By understanding the schedule of its release and the impact it has on USD and gold prices, you can use this information to improve your trading. Thank you for watching, and if you think that this video is helpful and benefit to you, please subscribe to my channel and set the alert bell. See you in the next video.